I'm about to show you 5 simple exercises that can give you impressive arms in almost no time. No gym, no equipment, just pure focused results. You'll perform each exercise at maximum intensity for 50 seconds followed by a 10-second rest. This entire routine takes only 5 minutes, but if you stay consistent, you will see real changes. Let's start with the first exercise, diamond push-ups. Diamond push-ups shift most of the workload onto your triceps instead of your chest. Get into a regular push-up position and bring your hands close together so your thumbs and index fingers form a diamond. As you lower yourself, keep your elbows tucked tight to your body. Push back up with control. The goal here isn't speed. Your focus is on keeping perfect form for the full 50 seconds. You want consistent tension on the triceps from start to finish. Our second exercise is plank taps. This one works your arms, shoulders, and core all at the same time. Start in a high plank position with your hands planted directly under your shoulders. Tap your right hand to your left shoulder, then tap your left hand to your right shoulder. Your job is to keep your hips steady. If your body twists, your core stops working. Keep your movements controlled and keep your body aligned. A steady rhythm is more effective than rushing. Next up are arm circles. One of the simplest shoulder burners you'll ever do. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and extend your arms straight out. Start making small circles, keeping your arms fully raised. After about 25 seconds, reverse the direction. This may look easy, but as the seconds go by, the fatigue builds fast. That burn is exactly what strengthens your shoulders and increases endurance. By the end of the 50 seconds, you will definitely feel it. Our fourth exercise is tricep dips, and they hit the back of your arms extremely well. All you need is a chair, a bench, or even the edge of your bed. Sit down, place your hands behind you on the edge with your fingers facing forward, and slide your hips forward so your weight is supported by your arms. Lower yourself by bending your elbows straight back, then push up again. Avoid using momentum. The more you rely on control, the harder your triceps will work. Slow reps equal faster results. Finally, we have wall push-ups. The perfect finisher that still targets your arms without overwhelming your joints. Stand facing a wall at arm's length and place your palms on the surface. Lean in by bending your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall, then push back. The further your feet are from the wall, the harder the exercise becomes. Adjust the distance until the movement feels challenging but doable. Keep your form tight and controlled. Now let's answer the big question. Do you really need heavy weights and long gym sessions to see real gains? The truth is no. Muscle growth happens when your muscles are challenged enough to create tiny tears in the muscle fibers. Your body repairs those fibers after the workout, making them stronger and more defined. High-intensity bodyweight training does exactly that. When you train with short rest periods and keep the muscle under tension, your body is forced to work harder in less time. Here's why this 5-minute routine works so well. First, it's extremely efficient. 5 exercises, each lasting 50 seconds, means your muscles stay active almost the entire time. You get maximum benefit from every minute. Second, the time under tension is ideal. Every exercise keeps your arms engaged long enough to stimulate muscle growth, even without weights. Third, you trigger the muscle repair process. The controlled reps break down the muscle fibers and your body rebuilds them stronger over the next 24 to 48 hours. Fourth, the routine is fully adaptable. You can increase intensity by slowing down the reps, adding a pause at the hardest part of the movement, or repeating the entire routine 2 or 3 times for a longer session. So whether you're just beginning your fitness journey or looking for a quick routine that delivers real results, this 5-minute arm workout is an effective solution. No equipment, no excuses, and no wasted time. If you're ready to build stronger, leaner arms with simple exercises you can do anywhere, then the only thing left is to start. And if you found this routine helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more quick and powerful workouts.